So we left off here, guys. Welcome to my channel one more time. And normally, this video will be about how to collect from rocks and how to create a stone axe, which I'm excited for that somehow. So what we need is collect rock first. So we need to have the pickaxe by pressing the left arrow. That way it indicates at the bottom of the stone picks. It indicates you anyways which button to press. And then you will click this type of rocks. You can actually hit this type of rocks and other type of rocks which we haven't gone to yet. But we will get there. We just have to take it slow. My recommendation is to start off with this type of rocks or stones. Just hit them first. And you'll see why eventually. So hit them. Okay. So we wanna hit. Oh, look at the first item. It says put Timmy food in the live item slot to feed it. We're not gonna feed it yet. We're not ready for that. We should take it step by step. So you guys can see right there, there's like a black thing that came out. Oh, it came out again. What that is metal. And you guys will need a lot of metal. A lot of metal, so that's why it is better to hit those things, because it gives you metal fast. I mean, that's enough, at least for the tutorial. And you guys can just do whatever you want. My recommendation is to try not to over collect, because you have to take care of your weight. And the weight is basically the picture where there's a drop of water on top of that is your weight. It's gonna get highlighted in white like the way it is on the health if you're gaining weight. So you want to take care of that, because if it's too much, then you're gonna be super slow. Okay, just keep that in mind. Let's get on top over here. And then what we want to do is create a stone axe, right? So we go to the inventory, which is B, and then go to crafting. Oh, if you don't see it here, what we want to do is where the picture of the backpack is, right here, click on the next one. You're gonna click right there. It's gonna say engrams anyway, and then we will do stone hatchet, it's called here, apparently. And then you will double click A to purchase. And this 3 and 3 and this are basically the points for you to be able to purchase them. So when you level up, you gain certain amount of points. And when you gain certain amount of points, you look up what you can purchase. My recommendation is this one, and this one first, right? So you know what? Let me help you guys create this once and for all. So we will create stone axe first, because it's very important. So as you guys can see, we're missing item. We're missing resources, because it's highlighted in black instead of like lighting up like this one. So if you want to know what you're missing, you drag the joystick to this one, and it's gonna say 2 out of 10. That means we need thatch, right? So you grab your stone pick. Stone picks are really good at collecting thatch. So you see that? It's just pure thatch, so that's good. And a little bit of wood too. So that's enough. So we go back to crafting, and there you go to that. See that right there? So you want to create one by pressing RT, and then go back to your inventory, and then you will hold A, drag the left joystick like this. I usually like to put them in the first 2 slots, but honestly this is your imagination, and you can do whatever you want. So There you go. If you ask me what is the blue bar at the bottom of the tool, it means the durability of the tool. So like the less durable they are, the faster it'll go away. Um, but yeah. Also, it says durability 18 out of 40, so it's getting there. So yeah, that's how you know. Um, and then to collect wood, what you need to do is go to the stone axe and hit a tree. And that's how you collect wood. And that is basically how you collect wood. You can also collect from stones as well. Stone axe are usually better at collecting stone rather than the stone pick. Sorry. But yeah, that's how you do it. So then, let's say you are becoming hungry like I am, because it's getting the light color or the white light color is going down. So I don't know if you remember the tutorial where we need to pick some bushes. So when you grab some bushes, you get some berries and fiber, of course, and seeds as well. Seeds. So you wanna collect them to the point where you go back to your inventory and look. So this is the berries. This is how they look like. There are different kinds of berries. Do not eat this. It's called narco berries, which is basically if you eat them, you're gonna fall asleep, and you don't want that. In my recommendation, so you start eating this, and you start eating by pressing RT, or you can hold it too. Hold it, and it'll eat it as well. So, azul berry are good when you eat them. They give you water as well. Small percentage, but it gives you water. Now, my recommendation is not to eat this because dinosaurs love this berry for some reason. So I usually keep it as an emergency. These steam berries, as you can see, they're color white. I recommend not to eat them because you it will dehydrate you basically, as it says on the description. So leave it as is. That one is also going to be good for other things. Let me. I want to drop off the note because right now we're not going to need it. And the way you're going to drop it is by LT. And there you go. You're not going to have it anymore. And depending on your settings, um, this will go away eventually. I don't know how much time. For example, this dinosaur is really good at leveling up, so I recommend you to get them when you have a dino already. Not right now. It's not worth it. Um, Now the last step is to have a campfire. Okay, you wanna have a campfire so you can cook some stuff. And yeah, so what we want to do is go back to the inventory, which is B, crafting, and then campfire, create one. If you don't see it right here, that's because we need to go back here and we have to purchase it. And it'll show you like the numbers at the bottom so you know how much it costs. So that's good. So we go back to the inventory and then it's right here, campfire. So you press RT on this one and it'll show something like this. And you can place it anywhere as long as it's color green. See that? See the difference? Red, green, red, green. So you press it and you place it wherever you want. Honestly, this is your imagination, like I said. There you go. Now, in order for you to feel it, you click on the X and you can place, hold A and you can place thatch. My recommendation is to put wood instead because thatch is good, but the fuel runs out a lot faster. And with wood, you can do it like this. Alright? So that's good. So that's basically how you do it. Now, we want to create a spear so you can defend yourself. So in order for you to create a spear, you go to crafting, and then same procedure, right? You can create as much as you like. In this case, I can only create one. So let's create one. Okay. And this one, what we want to do is we would actually want to put it in here. You can put it wherever you want. It doesn't really matter. So let's put it right here. And then we're going to click on the right stick. And there you have it. So you can attack both ways. You can hold LT so you can throw it. Or you can press RT to attack. But yeah, that's pretty much how you survive the basics in Ark. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys have an amazing, beautiful day. And I hope you guys can subscribe so I can keep bringing up more tutorials for you guys. Stay safe and have a beautiful day.